Hello friends, so this is just a quick unboxing of HP Spectre X360. This is Australian model. This is AE045TU. You can see it here, just here. So it's HP Spectre X360 13AE045TU. So this is 8th generation Intel laptop with I guess i5 8250U. So just gonna do a quick unboxing and just gonna give a glimpse of this new beast from HP. So let's see. So just opened it. It's a little tricky to open it. I don't know why these people. Okay, so there you go. Guess this is silver model. This is HP Spectre. Wow, with a good sleeve here. Just pull it out for you. So they did a good gesture by sending the sleeve. Cool. Let's keep this aside. Well, just get to the business. Cut it as well. Business. Wow, this looks stylish. So this model is i5 as I just said, and with 360 gigs of SSD M2O. Just give me a second. Alright, so just keep this aside for a moment. Let's see what else is in the box. Some documentation not required, some setup instructions as well. So for the beginners, they can just read out a few instructions here and then go on. Okay, well. The charger. I guess this is a normal 65-watt charger. Good. With just plug it in there. Just unbox it as well. Wow, a pen as well. So this is an entering pen with like 2,400 different pressure lines. And let's see. And this look premium. Cool. And also an extension. So I guess this is a good thing that HP is doing. Unlike Apple, they don't provide this, you know, next extra extension. This we get in HP, and your, I guess this is a dock like HDMI to HDMI and Type C and 3.1 USB to like a Thunderbolt or USB-C port. And that's it, nothing. Alright, so that was unboxing here, and just to show you guys the ports on this laptop. It's a new model. So on the right hand side we have one USB 3.1, one just the audio combo, a 3.5 mm, and just this the power button. And there's a new addition this year on this, which is the SD card. So you can just put in your microSD card here. On the other side we have two Thunderbolt 3 generation 3 ports, so the charging is also included in here, with a fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker. So this is kind of a sleek device here, and the weight also has been like reduced by at least 15%. So the earlier model was about, I guess, 1.28 kilograms, and now it just, I guess, 1.20, like, you know, around 1.18 something. So there's there. So thank you very much, guys.